What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video, this HomeGoods queen has another HomeGoods haul for you guys. I am so excited to be bringing this video to you because I have so many good things that I cannot wait to show you, and I wanted to put it out in time for you guys to be able to go to your local stores and find these amazing gems. I found a little bit of everything in this haul, whether it is lamps, kitchen items, vases, and decor of all sizes and types, and I cannot wait to show you guys how I styled these items in my home. So if you are interested in seeing this shop with me and haul of everything amazing from HomeGoods, then just keep watching. Okay, the first thing I want to talk about is probably something that doesn't seem like a big deal to you, but you guys, it is amazing. And this is something that I just stumbled upon, but I had been thinking in my mind that I wanted to see if I could find something like this, and I didn't even know, quite frankly, if it exists, but it does, and I wish I would have gotten more than one. It is a wash and drain dishwashing bowl with a straining plug. Seems really stupid, but you guys, you can use this for so many different things, and it was only $12.99. So I personally use mine. As you can see, this is the plug here. You just twist to lock and then untwist to drain the water. I use it to fill it up with my fruits and vegetables once I get home from the grocery store. Fill it up with my water, baking soda, and vinegar, and let my fruits and vegetables sit in here to get all of the toxins, the nasty, gritty crap that is in all of our fruits and vegetables that they're sprayed with, and it gets all of it out. And then I just open the plug, drain it, and then I box all of my stuff in. I have glass Tupperware containers and I pop it in the fridge. So this is really useful. This is super, like, you cannot bend this plastic. It's super high quality. So for $12, I think this is amazing. I store it up here with the rest of my colanders at the top shelf here, and the rest of my glass and metal bake and cookware. But it is amazing. I love it, and I'm gonna try to find one on Amazon so I can link it below for you guys, because you need it in your life. All right, next up is this tray. I actually got a second one for the project that I have been working on, and I will show you guys. It's amazing. They still have them at Homegoods, and they have a ton of them. I believe they're around between $12 and $20. Very affordable, but I love the whitewash finish and I love the tone of the wood. I have really been getting into cool and warm tone items, trying to differentiate between the two and figuring out what suits my style. And obviously the cool tone woods and the cool tone browns and neutrals are really what's going well with my style. Obviously both of them are beautiful, but if you are trying to decorate, bring in those black accents, I really feel like the cool tone browns work best. So this is my coffee setup. I'm doing a similar one over there. Of course, I will show you guys in my organizational kitchen video, as I'm doing a ton of organization, but I love it. And do not forget to check your local Homegoods, because they're super affordable and really, really aesthetically pleasing. All right, next is my imaginary setup for the console area, and I wanted to show you guys these two pieces right here. They are beautiful, and I believe I've already talked about this one. If not, if I have, it's a repeat, just ignore me. If not, it is the baby to this guy right here, and I love the rattan accents on these vessels. They're a beautiful, true, like, bone ivory color. They're not too yellow, and they're really not bright white. This one was a little bit more expensive. I think it was around 60, and this was, I believe, 40. But I really hope that I can incorporate them in whatever console I finally get for this area. And I'm hoping to kind of blend it together by using this black bowl. And these are my Studio McGee beads. I love these beads in particular just because, one, the cool neutral tone of the wood, and two, they're so massive that they really fill up any bowl that you put them in, versus some of the other ones that can be just a little bit, you know, over the top. But I love them. I think that they're really nice. They're substantial, they're heavy, and I feel like they would go with so many different decor styles. If you have more of a bohemian look, that you could totally incorporate that with some lighter color pieces instead of the dark. I love them. Homegoods is really stepping their game up, and really unique too. You know, you really don't see things like this too often. So if you're looking for some nice vessels, some nice neutral vessels, do not forget to check your local Homegoods, because they do go super quickly. All right, next I want to talk about this amazing lamp from Homegoods. You guys, I could not believe what a steal this was. It was like 29 bucks, and it's got this beautiful texture, and I thought it just ended up going perfectly with this nightstand that I have. I also was able to kind of get a nice stack of books going. I feel like I'm always on the hunt to continue to collect coffee table books, not to read, just for aesthetic reasons, because I want them to be black and white and neutral in order to continue to incorporate those colors into my design. But this is a ton, an item that I've gotten a ton of questions about. It is from Homegoods. It's super old. I love it so much. I wish I could find it. I have searched on Amazon a ton of different places and I really have not been able to find anything similar whatsoever. But if I ever do find anything like it again, of course, you know, I'll let you guys know. But this lamp, it comes with a really nice white shade and I just love it. It's kind of a matte, semi-matte finish. It's a good size. I'd say it's like between a small and a medium size, so it's not going to be anything that's too small, as you can see, compared to the bed, and it's not going to be anything that's too big either. So I thought it was super complimentary to the space that I have going on, as you can see in this room. We're continuing to make progress in here. I got this, as you saw on one of my most recent posts, and I really love it. I also moved this plant in for my bedroom just to bring some kind of color into the room and incorporate that moss and some of the greenery in the console. And I really just love this in white. I know that everyone has it pretty much in the darker colors, but the white just really did it for me. I thought that it was a really nice kind of cohesive look to this room, bringing everything together for a really nice cohesive yet elevated look. So really loving that lamp. I feel like it really just tied everything in together perfectly, and I will try to find something super similar so I can link it below for you guys as well. All right, you guys, that's gonna wrap up this HomeGoods Queen HomeGoods haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I will link everything that I can that is similar in the description box down below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.